Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. Today I will explain section 2, an armchair tours of some India's most haunted place, non-fiction. Before explaining, I will refer some other supernatural inspector, a researcher and corporate lawyer, Deepa Chakravarti's visit about the Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. The supernatural has always fascinated the human civilization. Our run ins with uncountable event had led to creation of folktale legends, superstitions and ghost stories across cultures. Supernatural inspector, a researcher and corporate lawyer Deepa Chakravarti approaches this domain is science while seeking answers through her research and philosophy. In her fascinating launch book Bhangar to Bedlam, Haunted Encounters in 2015. The book name is Haunted Encounters 2015. She had, through her experiences and investigations, written about her brush with abnormal mysteries. In her new book, Cast at Kedarnath and Other Stories, is launched on 2017. He returns to the subject, fresh stories and insights. Chakravarti, who was traveled far and wide across India in the course of her explorations, list for us her top 5 paranormal means abnormal experiences. The most haunted place, that is Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. As per her, what is the observation? Please follow. Rajasthan's Bhangar Fort is notorious of being India's most haunted, while the 17th century fort carries its own darkness. There is a shifting form which till some years ago could be seen inside the premises of the abandoned Someshwar temple just before the main building. Smooth stone steps lead up to what was once the main prayer area of the temple. Narrow stone pillars dot the outlines of the temple structure. Water, a long narrow mark down an old wall, falling a tank tarn green with age and wilderness, and everything falls silent. In a corner near the temple walls, a blue mist gathers. It spirals and sparkles, combining in the form of dancing figure, a woman with a blue veil, a flavored model who was vanished and become a temple dancer. There is a legend of curse by tantrics which trap the spirits of those who died there. That curse was also to be lifted by a woman who knew the ways of the world. That is the observation of Deepa Chakravarti. Now, from the book, cultures around the world have different kinds of ghosts I'll start from Bhangar Fort. Bhangar Fort, of course, tops every list of spook spots in India. Many call in India's only official sanctioned haunted site because of an ASI board at the entrance which forbids visitors from entering it before sunrise and after sunset. Certainly, Bhangar Fort topmost in the list of the ghost site in India. So many people call it India's only official approved haunted site, as because there is an ASI board. ASI means Archaeological Survey of India. ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. So an ASI board at the doorway of this fort. On the board, it is disallowed that the visitors that they shall not enter Bhangar Fort before sunrise and after sunset. Explanation 2. Obviously, Bhangar Fort is the topmost of the list of mole place in India. It is said that many people remark it India's only officially approached car site. Reason behind it, the ASI board. ASI board is fixed at the gateway of the Bhangar Fort. On this board, it is prohibited to enter the fort before the sunrise and after the sunset. Explanation 3. Clearly, Bhangar Fort is in the top of the list of emissary area in India. Locals and many visitors mark it as the only India's officially authorized disbursed place. There is the reason behind this an ASI board. In ASI board, it is mentioned as follows. It is banned the visitors entry time. The visitors shall not step in the fort before sunrise and after the sunset. Now, from the book. Located on the outskirts of Sarika Tiger Reserve near Alwar in Rajasthan, the 16th century fort is picturesquely spooky. Bhavnagar Fort is situated by the borders of the Sarika Tiger Reserve Forest. That is explanation 1. Near Alwar in Rajasthan, it is the 16th century fort and it is very attractive fort. Explanation 2. Bhangar Fort is built in 16th century. There is Sarika Tiger Reserve Forest nearby the boundary of the fort. This fort is in Alwar in Rajasthan. This fort 84 kilometers away from Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan state. This fort is very pretty fort. This is a very pretty fort. Explanation 3. Bhangar Fort is established outside the boundary of Sarika Tiger Reserve Forest near Alwar in Rajasthan. This fort around 90 kilometers away from Alwar. It is established in 16th century, which is a delightful fort in Rajasthan. Now from book, straight out of a horror movie is generally the first reaction of the most visitors. Explanation 1. Bhangar Fort, it is nearby the town Daos. Distance between Bhavnagar Fort to Daos 30 kilometers, where the visitors are visited this fort. The visitors are reacted as the horror movie after this first visit. Explanation 2. Bhavnagar Fort is the nearest railway station of Dausa. It takes time 34 minutes from Dausa railway station to Bhangar Fort. When the visitors visited this fort, they remarked as the horror movie as the environment inside the fort looking like the shooting spot of a horror movie. Explanation 3. Bhangar Fort. Trip to Bhangar Fort is very easy. Can travel from Alwar or Dosa and from Jaipur. Whenever the visitors visit this fort, they realize that the fort is just like a horror movie, as they feel that they are in the shooting spot for the horror movie. That is the end of the lecture.